In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple files in Google Drive, Control-CMD plus click. If you've ever needed to move, download, or share several files at once, this quick method will save you time. We'll use a simple keyboard and mouse combo that works in any modern browser, and I'll point out a couple of practical tips along the way so you feel confident using it right away. First, log into Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're in, open My Drive or any specific folder where your files are stored. You can use either grid view or list view. This method works the same in both, and the selected items will be highlighted so they're easy to spot. Now let's start the selection. Click once on the first file you want. You should see it become highlighted, showing it's selected. Next, and this part is important, press and hold the Control key if you're on Windows or Chromebook. If you're on a Mac, press and hold the Command key. Keep that key held down as you continue. While holding Control or Command, click on the next file you want to add to your selection. You'll see each file you click become highlighted, indicating it's been added. You can skip around the folder and pick any files you need, in any order, even if they're not next to each other. If you need to scroll, that's fine. Just keep the key held while you scroll and continue clicking. If you accidentally pick a file you don't want, simply click it again while still holding Control or Command to deselect it. If you let go of the key and click an item, Drive will switch back to a single selection, so remember to keep the key pressed while you're adding or removing items from the selection. When you've selected everything you need, you can release the key. You'll notice all your chosen files remain highlighted. From here, you can perform any action you'd normally do with a single file. Move them to a folder, download them, share them, or remove them, except now it applies to all selected items at once. If something doesn't look right, you can click on an empty area to clear the selection and start again. That's all there is to it. Click the first file, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac, then keep clicking to add as many files as you need. Practice it a couple of times and it'll quickly become second nature. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Google Drive.